Akati abalala nga bakaaba mu biseera nga bino nti kasooli afudde. Owanje n'omuleba. Ogu n'omuleba. Kandi ogu we wamuleba. Kandi ogu waguleba. Ogu waguleba. Buli wamu otunula misooli. Kakati. Omanyi ebintu bino temubitegeera bulungi. So I really want to show you that it is really very, very possible to make money from maize farming. It doesn't matter the season. It doesn't matter the type of business you're doing. What matters is the strategy. Do you have an expert that is doing this business for you? So right now, in the middle of the garden, in the middle of the blazing sun, I want to show you how to use 10.5 million into 115 million in just 6 years. Point number one, 10.5 million cannot buy land or hire land and get you money, because this is very small money. What you're going to do, you're going to hire YPA to take care of your maize. This is what they are going to do. You're going to buy 3 acres, because each acre is at 3.5 million. So times 3, this is 10.5. Which means you'll have 3 acres. And each acre, because YPA is taking care of it, you are going to get 1.3 times 3 in 6 months. Are we together? Calculating the math? Now, this means you have gotten 3.9 million in the first harvest. First. Second harvest, you're going to get 3.9. Total. It means here, before we go to the second, we have 3.9. 3.9, remember, can get to you an acre of maize. So you had 3, now you have 4 acres. Why? Because you got 3.5, no sigazawa, you ate the 400. So you have 4 acres, which equals 1.3 times 4. 1.3 times 4, this is 12 times 12. 12, we carry 1 here. This is what? This is 4, 5. This is 5.2 million. So here, because you can't buy 2 acres, you're again going to buy 1. So it means this is the second harvest. First harvest, we are still in 1 year. First harvest, you gotten 3.9. Second harvest, you got to 5.2. So you're going to buy another acre. So you're going to 5. In the third harvest, you're going to have 1.3 times 5. The balance here, which is around 2 point something, 2.7. Yes, around 2.7. No, 1.7. 1.7 waziri anogena no weyagala. So you're going to get 1.3. This is 15 plus 1, 6. So this is 6.5. Now we are going to this. This is the third what? Third harvest. So here you can comfortably either add 500 to make 7 so that you get 2 more acres, or you again buy 1 acre. So you're going to get 6 in the fourth harvest, which is now 2 years, because each year we get 2 seasons. So you're going to get 6 times 1.3. This is 18. We carry 1. 6 times 1, 7. This is 7.8. This is the fourth. Now we have finished 4. We have finished 4 seasons, which is 2 years, with 6 acres. Remember, we started with 3 acres. So we now have 6 acres, and we have gotten our 7.8, which is going to give us 2 more acres. 6 acres, we add the 2 acres from here, which is 7,800,000 zillion. Remember, you have been eating cost some money. Now, plus 2 acres, which is 8. 8 times 1.3. Why 1.3? Each season, as a net profit, if you're farming with YPA in the passive system, for example, this maize, you get 1.3 as profit. The balance goes back and helps you set up the farm next season. So this is 24, you carry 2, 8 times 1, which is 8, plus 2, which is 10. Now you have 10.4 million. Remember, you have 8 acres. So now you're going to buy another 3. One emitwalo 10 tejija kulema. Kuchiri ekinana kye walidde yongerako emitwalo 10, you add 3 acres. So you remember you have 8 plus 3, which is 11 acres. Times 11. So this is the 5th season and this is the 6th. Now, in total, we have moved 3 years. But in 3 years, we have 11 times this one, which is in 0.3. So remember, we have 11 acres. So 11 acres, what is the worth of 11 acres? 11 acres equals to 11 times 3.5, which is 38.5 million. Nti zino zetufuna magoba naye amagoba gava muki gava muzino 38.5. When you invest 38.5 in maize, this is the profit you get 14.3. So we are going to add here 14.3, the profit that we have made in our sixth season. So we add 14.3, we are going to have 52.8. We have just gone 3 years. So we are going to subtract what we started with because this contract has ended. So we are going to subtract 10.5. Subtract 10.5 minus 10.5 million, which is 42.3. So in 6 years, in 3 years, if you keep reinvesting, if you don't take the profits and you keep putting the profits back, you'll have 42.3. So we want to see if we start with 42 and we go on and on, how much will we have at the end of the 6 years? So now we are going to do 42.3 divided by 3.5. We see how many acres. We have 12. We have 12 acres. So when we have 12 acres, we are going to say 12 times 1.3. 12 times 1.3, which is 15.6. So 15.6 can get us how many acres? Divided by 3.5, which is 4. So we are going to add here 4. So we are going to have 16 times 1.5. This is now first season in second contract. Second contract now, which is the last part. So first we are going to get this, then we add the 4 acres, we get there. So we are going to get now 16 times 1.3. We are going to get 20.8. So 20.8 divided by divided by 3.5. Twagala kutegera acres mekaze tusobola okwongerako, we can get 5. So we are going to get 16 plus 5, which is 21. We are going to get 21 acres. 21 acres times 1.3, which is 27.3. 27.3 divide. Jukira buli zetufunanga tuzizaamu season eddako ziba zizaala zizimu nezimama. Divided by 3.5, we are going to get 7 acres. So 7 acres, we are going to get 28 acres. This is first season, this is second season, this is third season. Now we are going for fourth season. So we are going to get 28 times 1.3, which is 28 times 1.3, which is 36. So 36 divided by 3.5. Now we are going for the fifth season. We are going to get 10, which is 38 times 1.3. 38 times 1.3, which is 49.4. Again, now this is the fifth season. So 49.4 divided by 3.5, we have 14 acres. So 14 plus 1 here, which is, this is 12, we write 2, we carry 1, this is 5. So we have 52 acres. So 52 acres times 1.3, which is 67.6 million. After 6 years, this is the profit we'll get at last. So now, we are going to add all this money that we have. We are going to get this plus this, then minus what we started with. Watch Reva. So 52, what is the worth of 52? 52 is times 3.5, which is 182 plus 64, 67, the profit we get at last, which is 67.6. So plus 67.6, which is 249. So minus 42, minus 42.3, minus 42.3. So we have 207 million. We have used 10 million, and instead of this, we have gotten this times 2, which is 207 million. Kati gwa wakana. Chichi chotalabye. I have taken you through all the mathematics. Bi mathematics zonna zikututemu. Byonna birabye. Emisolo njiyimiriddemu wakati olubaawo ndulese mu nsiko ku luluwo. All I want is you to understand the systems here. We can use 10 million and get 200 million in 6 years. It is very possible. Okay, if I'm supposed to get rich in 20 years, then why did I live before the 15th year? Kubanga nandirinze wali nempeze emyaka 20 awo ndyoka nzalibwa. But you can't be, waliwo ebiseera by'okutuuka. There must be some times for me to arrive. Kale gwe bw'obanga olowooza ebibalo bino si bituufu, gwe balayo ebituufuko ebisemberera ebyo. Gwe kati ogamba miliyoni 10 mu emitwalo 5 mu myaka 6 zina kuba meka in 6 years. Zibeere meka? Zibeere 22 oba 25. Nga ne bw'ogenda mu banka zino sente n'ozifixinga ne bazikuwaako 16%. Era ogenda kumaliriza ng'omwaka gugwako kuba 10% yawanukikamu nga 6. Something like that. Kati kubisaamu emyaka 6. Nga kamu 6 kanoko kako okubisaamu. Oba ebibalo bikola bityanze sibitegeera. The logic is in the mathematics. But you can't arrive where you have not planned to. Kasoli ali wano balageeko ku emisoli gigino, balageeko ku misoli bwe gifaanana mu ngeri y'omusana. Omusoli guguno bagutikako ne kiro 2 ne gusitula. Simanyi oba ebintu bitegeerekeka, but we can make money if we choose to, and we are going to be poor if we choose to be poor. The logarithm is in the mathematics. The mathematics gives us the answers that we are yearning for. So this maize can help you teach your children, can help you buy a car, can help you build a house, can help you even win a house. By the way, you can win a house because as we speak, enyumba ne motoka byakuwangulwa. Atabitegedde bw'otyo bw'olifa. Good morning.